Which HP server family optimized for lightweight workloads including web serving, cloud, and hosted desktop infrastructure? Option A. HP Blade System. Option B. HP Microserver. Option C. HP Moonshot. Option D. HP Apollo. The correct answer is option C. What are benefits of implementing a blade architecture instead of traditional rack mount server? Option A. Embedded disaster recovery capability. Option B. Shared I/O infrastructure. Option C. More predictable MTBF. Option D. Reduced power infrastructure. Option E. Shared memory. The correct answer is option B, D. Support for which technology has been introduced in ProLiant Gen servers? Option A. Location services. Option B. Flexible VIMs. Option C. NVDIM memory. Option D. HP1 view. The correct answer is option C. Which tool was used to configure and manage the HPC blade enclosure? Option A. Intelligent Management Center. Option B. ELO 4 Management Engine. Option C. Centralized Management Console. Option D. Onboard Administrator. The correct answer is option D.